front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on General Management. Now select Samsung Keyboard Settings, and as you can see, Smart Typing options are over here. You can manage them by clicking on the chosen one and adjusting it, or clicking on the switchers next to proper features. When you're done with all of those, scroll all the way down and click on More Typing options to manage all of them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!